Hi friends, how are you all? So first of all, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. In this series, I will be discussing with you an important discipline in the field of commerce, which is accounting. I would like to tell you, I propose to have a lecture once in 2 weeks. In alternating weeks, we will be having lecture, but sometimes there might be a day or two difference, or if it is needed that a topic should be covered earlier, I will be covering it sooner. So a humble request to you before I start, if you are for the first time visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified whenever new lectures are uploaded, so you don't miss anything. Okay, and you are in line and on track with your preparations. So also like my videos, and please feel free to comment to my videos so that if you have any doubt or any feedback, I can address them at the very earliest. Okay, so now let us start. Before I go into the system of accounting, let me give you a brief introduction with the need of this discipline. Why do we need accounting? Right, what happened? So let's take, there is a shopkeeper. Okay, and he is doing some good business. Okay, he is not just small, he is almost a medium scale, and he has enough goods, he is selling, he has enough sales, enough customers, and many things. Now this person is keeping on doing business. Once a person or let's say some law official is coming and asking him, Mister, how many goods, what amount of goods did you sell during this month? Let's take August. What amount of goods did you sell in August? So this person started, let me think. I think on August 1st, I sold goods worth rupees 20,000 to Ram. And August 2nd, I think basically there was, and will he think like that? What if he is thinking like that? What will other people tell? Are you mad? Don't you ever keep a record of how much you have sold and whether you have received any payment? You just do business like that. So what is the need here? That this person should keep a systematic record of whatever he is doing, right? He should keep a systematic record, and simply keeping record, simply we write August 1 sold rupees 20,000 goods to Ram. If he is writing each of these transactions in a book, then if somebody is asking, then he says, then August 2, let's say, received payment from Ram for goods sold in June. Is this person mad? If he's going on writing like this, then how will he know if this person Ram has cleared his dues? Huh? So it will be too long as well. If some person is asking, if this law official is asking how much goods did she sell in August, then he has to search each and every transactions and add each and everything in his calculator and tell that if this person, this law official is a busy person and will he wait for half an hour, he'll tell, Mister, unless and until you give me the record, you will not be able to do business. So the thing is, simply other than just recording, he needs to do something else. He needs to group all sales into some sales on book or page, and he needs to group all transactions with Ram into one book. So how does he do this? If he has to do business and he has to do all these things, it will be somewhat difficult, and he doesn't know anything how to do. So here is where we as accounting and professionals, we come into a picture. Okay, if you are an accounting professional, if you are a commerce professional, you will often encounter this question, sir, can you maintain my accounts? So there is one important thing in commerce. So what is accounting? Let us take the definition of accounting. I have told you a brief introduction what is accounting. The process that helps this person address his queries is accounting. According to the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA, I am only writing the full form, but you will have to write the entire word. American Institute of Certified Public Accountant, or it is also called the CPA America now. Okay, they have proposed a definition which is most accepted. There are many other definitions, but this one is most accepted. What is accounting? Accounting is the, let us take art. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character. And interpreting the result thereof. Hope it is clear. Accounting is according to the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. So let us discuss this definition. What is an art? There are many features of art, like it should have some basic theory and it is not universal in nature. Okay, it is not universal in nature and it needs to be creatively applied each and every time. Okay, this is basically an art. So we are classifying account as an art. It is not like science, physics or chemistry, which have clear-cut rules that whenever such a situation arises, this rule is applied and the situation will be as predicted by the law. But here it is not so, and therefore accounting is an art. Though it is not much significant for us, you study the procedure of accounting. Recording, classifying and summarizing. This is what I said. This person, the shopkeeper should first record. Then he should classify and group the transaction and then he should summarize everything. Okay, these are the first three steps of accounting. Okay, these are first three steps of accounting. Recording, classifying and summarizing in given sequence. If this person will record all the transactions, then he will classify each and every transaction with RAM, sales, purchase, payment receipt and everything he will classify and then he will summarize everything. Okay, RAM needs to give me this much. I have sold total this much goods in this period. I have received total this much payment. This is summarizing in a significant manner. What is this? This is a concept in account that is called materiality. We will discuss this once more, but I am just giving you an introduction in this lecture. Materiality. What is this concept of materiality? See, whenever we are doing things, whenever we are doing accounting, we should record everything, but in such a manner that all the required information are conveyed to the required people. That is, if the shopkeeper is spending rupees 0.5 or something to buy something. A paper he is buying for 50 paise or 1 rupee. If the person is buying one paper today, he will be recording, but will we be saying that, okay, on August I bought rupees 1? Just 1 rupee is not at all significant for anybody. Only what we need to know is how much did he spend to buy papers during a given period. That is, only the important fact should be disclosed to the required people, whoever wants this information. Accounting generally generates information like that law officer. If the law officer is coming and asking how much did you spend to buy papers, okay, then the person should be able to summarize everything and he should be able to tell this is the material thing, this is the important thing, is significant, and I have spent this much to buy papers. Okay. And how do we classify transactions, money transactions and events? I will explain the term transactions and events later, but basically what happens is this person will receive many payments, will do many sales, he will make purchases and he will do many other expenses, maybe he will receive some other income. These are all transactions that he is doing in the period. And what is the event? Finally, he will receive some profit or incur a loss. This profit or loss which arises out of transactions is called an event. Any result that arises out of a transaction, out of many transactions, is called event. Okay, then it is part at least of a financial character. That is, there should be something in financial terms in all these transactions. Okay, if the shopkeeper is going and making a deal with another shopkeeper that, okay, I will give you this goods and you deliver it to my consumers. Just deal is made, nothing else is done. This person is not giving any goods. That person is not delivering anything. This person is not paying that person anything. We need not be concerned with those things. We need not be concerned with this agreement unless and until some work is done. And something financial, if just this person is giving goods and that person is delivering, and this person is not giving any payment to that person, we are not concerned. We are only concerned with the goods he is selling. But if this person is paying that person, if this person has paid some money to the other person so as to deliver goods to his consumer, then we will be recording it in accounting. So that is it. There should be something in financial terms in that thing and interpreting the result thereof. What do we interpret? We need to interpret two things: profit or loss and financial position. Okay, we will again discuss this definition in the next lecture, but interpretation happens in these two fashions. First the profit and loss, and then what is the financial position at the end of a given period. So this is what the definition tells us. There is so comprehensive definition that we can analyze many things from this very definition. So accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transactions or events which have something in financial character in them and interpreting the result of all these records. So this is accounting. So this definition is very important and you will have to memorize this definition, and this definition will be very useful for your examination. And I hope you found this lecture useful. We will meet again in the next lecture. So till then, stay safe. Thank you.